Son has a bad cough and won't stop for anything? Then this video is for you. Listen up. I'm going to teach you the home remedy of a lifetime that will get rid of your cough in just a few minutes. To begin with, we'll need an orange, right? Cut it in half. Once we've cut it in half, we'll need to remove this part of the orange, the core, right? Now you're going to take just one piece and remove all the seeds from our orange. Guys, this tip is amazing. You'll thank me for this video. This video is really good and I'm sure you've never thought of it. It's a very old home remedy. Look at this. There will be this cavity in the orange. And now we're going to put it on the fire. That's it. Come with me and I'll show you. Once we've put our orange on the fire, what are we going to do? We're going to turn our fire on low, right? Keep it very low and let's leave our orange here. What's this for? Few people know it, but this home remedy will put an end to your children's cough and your own too. Guys, this tip is incredible and very good. Now we're going to add salt. We'll add a pinch of salt if it's for adults. If it's for children under 5, it's just a pinch, right? We'll also add saffron. Saffron is great and has many benefits as well as being an excellent anti-inflammatory. We'll add a teaspoon of saffron. Remember, if it's a child under 5, we'll just add a pinch of saffron and leave it on the heat for a few minutes. Then the orange will boil. This tip is ready in minutes and is super quick. Then add the other part of the orange and all the substances in the orange. The saffron and the salt will bring you various benefits that you don't know are in this tip. They are rich in antioxidants and are also anti-inflammatory. One of the most common uses for saffron is to treat coughs. That's right. This super simple home remedy is great for treating sore throats, when you have a sore throat. A few minutes have passed. The orange has released all its substances along with the turmeric and salt we added. Now I'll add a spoonful of honey. Yes, honey is an excellent remedy for the flu, and it will help you a lot to treat it. Now just mix it together and you'll have a powerful home remedy on your hands. Salt, on the other hand, reduces mucus in the back of the throat, thus relieving the cough in minutes. And that's our tip for today. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Big kisses and God bless.